Welcome back to another vlog, you guys. So today is Friday. We are getting ready to go have pizza a little bit later, but I don't even have my watch on. It is, what time is it? It's like 5:30, and we're probably gonna leave and go have pizza at like 6:30, 7 o'clock. So it's a new place that opened by our house that we wanted to try, and Cam is all about pizza, so there's that. But right now we're just chilling. Clarence just got home from work. I'm actually about to enjoy a little bit of rosé, have a little cocktail. It's Friday, decompressing. I did not work today. I have a hair and a nail appointment tomorrow. But I just thought I'd check in and start the weekend vlog with y'all. So, tis life. See y'all in a little bit. Hey y'all. All right. Today's Saturday. I'm headed to Starbucks. So I'm gonna get some coffee and probably breakfast because I'm gonna and head to get a pedicure. After my pedicure, I have a hair appointment. I'm gonna try to run some quick errands and then get back in the house. It's cold, it's rainy, well, it's gloomy, and I don't want to mess my hair up, so that's why I'm gonna try to make it the last thing I do. I have a couple of little errands I need to run, like getting some stuff for the Christmas tree. But yeah, that's it. So let me get out in these streets and then we'll chat it up in a little bit. Yep, and then I had a bagel. Thank you. Alright, you guys, so we got our hair done. We are back in action. Action Jackson! We are getting ready to go get some food. I need to get a what do you call that thing? New tire? No, a battery for the remote to the car. Every time I hop in the car, it tells me that it's low. We're about to head home, but then we're going to have to stop and get my tire replaced. Clarence had to put this donut on here because I don't know what happened, y'all.
Like the cars.
We got home.
Yeah,
I was waiting on Kaden to come outside for us to go to our hair appointment, and the tire just stopped. I don't know how I'm gonna tell the story with Kaden telling the story too, y'all. Please tell me how that worked. But my hair looks amazing. It's growing something wicked. So I just scheduled a trim for the top of the year and a hydration treatment. So I'm excited about that. Start the new year off right with the hair. Let me call Clarence. All right, you guys. So I'm home from the store. I did all my little last minute errands and some grocery shopping for the house. So I thought I would quickly share with you guys. First things first, I picked up bread. I got everything from Publix except for the coffee. I got it from Target. But it was buy one, get one free. So I went ahead and picked up bread. We go through bread like crazy because Clarence takes his lunch and Kaden takes his lunch every single day for work and for school. So yeah, buy one, get one free bread. They had the bird's eye stir fries on sale, buy one, get one free. And on nights when I don't know what to make for dinner, I will pop one of these out. They come in handy. This week or next, I'm thinking of making some pasta dishes, either chili or spaghetti or a like penne alla vodka with chicken and shrimp. So they had the Gia Russa pasta sauces on sale. So I got a tomato basil and an alla vodka sauce. These are literally my favorite. They're the True Fruit. They're chocolate covered strawberries, like freeze dried strawberries covered in chocolate. They're so good. A couple of these and a half a glass of wine, girl, a treat. I picked up shredded cheese because we literally are basically out. This is so good to put on salads when I make grilled cheese for the kids, stuff like that. I picked up some of the Emerald whole cashews. These are the roasted and salted kind because I like cashews and almonds and pistachios and stuff like that. So those are quick snacks for me. I also picked up roasted hummus. It was buy one, get one free. This is also a good snack for me. I just cut up cucumbers and put some on the side. Picked up some of these Bush's Sidekick beans. We're doing tacos and Chipotle bowls at some point in the next 2 weeks for dinners. So I picked up some of their seasoned beans. They were buy one, get one free. We love Duke's mayo. We are basically out of mayo. I think we have a half a jar left. We only like Duke's, and so I always get it when it's buy one, get one free. Picked this up from Target, just some coffee because I need to place an order, but tomorrow I'm gonna need my coffee. I picked up rice, buy one, get one free, white jasmine rice, our favorite. I love this brand. It's the Ralston brand. It's so good. Beef meatballs. I'm gonna do meatballs mixed. Bleh. I'm gonna do meatballs, mixed vegetables, and some kind of side dish, and maybe even meatball subs. So buy one, get one free. I've been craving bacon because y'all know we eat chicken sausage, turkey bacon, beef sausage, but we don't eat pork. But I was craving good old pork bacon. They had it buy one, get one free. So bacon and eggs in the morning will be a go. Then they had the Purdue chicken strips and chicken tenders on sale. So for the kids, quick, easy lunch ideas, or I don't want what you're making for dinner, so I'll make them this option. So I got the chicken strips and the chicken nuggets. Had the Hormel sides on sale, so they were buy one, get one free. So I got a cheddar broccoli rice and a macaroni and cheese. Again, quick side items. Cookies were buy one, get one free. So I picked up the chewy kind and the original. And then lastly, I just picked up chicken broth, buy one, get one free. I use it to make vegetables and rice, and I like flavorful food. And that's everything that I picked up from the grocery store. I spent $80 and some change. And honestly, this is probably going to get us through the next 2 weeks because we had tons of stuff in the refrigerator. like meats and stuff, but again, I just needed things to make complete meals. What's up, y'all? So while I was out, I picked up some flowers because it's been forever since we've had fresh ones in the house. I thought it would be nice for the holiday. Picked them up while I was at Publix. Hey, babe. How are you?